Spectrum Internet Ultra has been replaced by Spectrum Internet Premier for new customers, but existing users are seeing significant upgrades. Whether this service is worth it depends on your specific internet needs and usage patterns. To determine if Spectrum Internet Ultra is right for you, consider these key factors. The service works best for specific types of users and households. Spectrum Internet Ultra is ideal for large households with multiple users who need reliable, high-speed internet. It's particularly valuable for those engaged in upload-intensive activities like video streaming, video conferencing, or content creation. The service offers unlimited data with no caps and contract flexibility. However, Spectrum Internet Ultra might not be the best choice for light internet users with basic browsing and email needs. If you have access to fiber internet with symmetrical upload and download speeds, that may be a better option. Also consider potential price increases after promotional periods end. Recent developments make Spectrum Internet Ultra more attractive. Existing customers are receiving automatic speed upgrades to 600 megabits per second at no additional cost. Spectrum Internet Ultra customers are automatically receiving speed boosts from 400 megabits per second to 600 megabits per second without any increase in their monthly bill. Looking ahead, Spectrum is deploying DOCSIS 4.0 technology throughout 2025. This advanced cable technology will enable dramatically faster internet speeds. DOCSIS 4.0 represents a major upgrade to cable internet infrastructure. This technology will enable internet plans with download speeds up to 10,000 megabits per second and upload speeds up to 6,000 megabits per second in enabled areas. Spectrum expects 85% of their service area to have access to speeds of 5,000 megabits per second download and 1,000 megabits per second upload by the end of 2025. This represents a massive improvement in both speed and upload capabilities. In summary, Spectrum Internet Ultra offers solid value for households with high internet demands, especially with recent speed upgrades and future DOCSIS 4.0 capabilities. However, your specific needs, available alternatives, and budget considerations should guide your decision. Now let's analyze Spectrum's pricing structure, speed capabilities, and overall value proposition to help you make an informed decision. Spectrum offers competitive bundled pricing. Their 500 megabit plan costs just $30 per month when bundled with 2 mobile or video lines. The gigabit plan is available for $40 monthly with the same bundle requirements. However, existing customers should note that legacy internet plans will see a $2 monthly increase starting July 2025, attributed to rising operational costs. Spectrum uses cable network technology, which provides asymmetrical speeds where download speeds significantly exceed upload speeds. While not as modern as fiber optic technology, Spectrum achieved a median download speed of 228 megabits per second in 2024. This performance earned Spectrum recognition as one of the top 5 fastest internet providers in the United States, according to Ookla's speed test data. Customer satisfaction data reveals mixed results. Spectrum's Axis score improved 4% to 71 points in 2025, placing it above average for non-fiber internet service providers. Survey data shows 72% of customers are satisfied with reliability and 74% with speeds. However, over 40% expressed dissatisfaction with pricing, highlighting the main concern area. Despite pricing concerns, Spectrum provides solid value through unlimited data, a free modem, and contract-free service, making it a competitive option in areas without fiber availability.